going on, guys? Jameson here. Welcome to my new channel, and let's get to it. And this is my how to compile a CM12 theme from your phone. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, now here's my GitHub, and I will go ahead and link this down in the description below. What you need to do is first off download this theme template. I've heavily modified the CyanogenMod12 template to make this a lot easier for you guys. So again, the link will be in the description, but if you can't get to there, you can always come to my repo and then click on download zip. Now there's a few things that you guys will need for this to work. One, some kind of root browser. I suggest Root Explorer. It's paid, but I've been using this thing for years. But there's a lot of other free alternatives. Amaze File Manager is a great Root Explorer. It's open source. The next, you want to download this Android IDE app. This is going to be the application we're going to use to compile the application or the theme itself. So once you download the theme template that I have, go ahead and open your file manager and navigate to your download folder. There you will see this zip. Go ahead and extract it. Alright, now once it's extracted, you want to go to that folder, and you can either leave it there or move it to your working folder. I would suggest to make a folder. And then move it there. That way it's away from everything else. So let that go ahead and run the background. Now that you've moved your folder to your test folder, this is where we're going to go in, and this is our working folder. CyanogenMod12 theme is actually built with Android Studio in mind and the Gradle system. That doesn't make a lot of sense or probably mean much to you guys now, but eventually when you get more experience it will. Anyways, so let's get back to the fun. So open back up the AIDE, and you want to go ahead and navigate to that folder that you just made. So we made it under test. Go ahead and open CM12 Theme Master. Then go ahead and open theme, and then see here where it says open this Android project, click on that. Now once you do that, go ahead and click on the build Gradle. This and the Android manifest are very important, especially for starting off. Okay, see here where it says com.cm.theme. That's going to be the name of your package, the name of your Android APK. Go ahead and change the name. Otherwise, if you leave it like this, there's a good chance that you and probably 30, 40, 100, 200 people will have the same package name, and it causes conflicting issues when you upload things to the Play Store, if you do. So let's go ahead and just change that. Then pull back up, click on source, then Android manifest. Now this is going to have to match what you just put over in the build Gradle. So if I could type, sorry, and then save. Alright, so now that we got that, next off, go ahead and hit res, go to values, and then strings.xml. This is where you're going to name your application, or at least make the application aware of its own name. So the first one, let's go ahead and put your theme's name. For this, I'm going to put CM test in caps, and then go ahead and put your name here, and I'll show you where that shows up in a little bit. Go ahead and save that. Now, now that you've gotten this far, honestly, if you want, we can go ahead and just do a little test install. Now let's go ahead and do that first. Alright, let's go ahead and click, after everything, click on this little the play sign, and what it will do is do a debugging app. This particular app you won't be able to upload to the Play Store because it actually needs a production signed APK to go to the Play Store. But this is good enough for you to go ahead and install and test it out and see if it actually works. You can share it with your friends, things like that. Alright, so as you can see, it shows that it actually did install. Now, you can go ahead and apply. So, for the template that I've given you guys, it's actually that easy, and you have your own app, your own theme. And of course, it's got a lot of my stuff built into it that I didn't take out, that I gave you guys. So, that's that. We'll go in a little bit further into the editing and where everything is here shortly. But hey, if you've followed along this far, so far, technically you've just compiled your first Android application that is a CM12 theme that works. Pretty cool. Alright guys, and like I was saying, if you got any questions, you can either hit me up here, you can shoot me a message on Google Hangouts, or you can go ahead and join us over at infamousdevelopment.com/forums. We cover a lot of many interesting things there. It's a great community, a lot of how-tos, and everyone's very helpful, and you won't have any of those issues about the butt-hurt people that have nothing better to do on XDA that want to sit there and flame everyone for asking the little simple questions. They all forget that everyone was a noob at one point in time. Also, go ahead and check out infamousdevelopment.com. That's going to be our blog page, everything up-to-date information about Infamous and Android, and just anytime I want to have a rant or what have you, check it out. It's good information. Again, thanks for checking everything out. Leave a like if you enjoyed this, subscribe if you want more. Go ahead and leave a comment, ask questions below, give me some feedback. Again, this is one of my first videos for this new channel, and I'm trying to do this so I can go ahead and help you guys learn the easy way instead of having to do things the hard way like I had to. So, thanks guys, and I will see you next time.